phone. Say, hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Back.
Back.
Hey guys, welcome back to Gemma Says DIY. Today we're going to be building a bird feeder for you guys. So stick around and see what we've got planned. So as always, she's still too young for most of these tools, so I'm going to be sending her upstairs to keep her away from the sound as well as the dust of these tools. I'll cut out all the pieces I need to assemble the birdhouse. Once everything is cut and ready to go, I'll have her come back downstairs and help me assemble it. So here's the basic shape of the bird feeder. It will have a roof on top to keep the bird seed dry. It also has an open center where I'm going to be able to slide 2 pieces of plexiglass in order to hold the bird seed, so you can see how much seed is still in there, and it'll look a little bit nicer than just having it completely wood. Now for the roof of the house, I'm going to be cutting this piece of tin roofing that I found behind my house in the woods, and I'm going to be repurposing this for the roof on my birdhouse. So I'll cut this to shape, and I need to fold a ridge cap as well, so I'll cut that out and then staple it to the top of the birdhouse. Now I'm going to use my table saw to cut 2 square pieces of plexiglass to hold the bird seed in place. Now I'm actually going to be assembling the roof before she comes down because I don't want her to accidentally get cut on this tin roofing. It's really easy to do, it's really rusty, as well as the staple gun and brad nailer I'm using is pretty loud. So I'll just get that out of the way and then have Gemma come down and we'll assemble the rest of the birdhouse together. Now for the fun part, the roof is finished. I'm going to bring Gemma down and get started working together. Alright, so... Yep, gotta scoot you over here.
Because that's what she did last time.
No, this time it's the bird feeder, remember? So I've got the roof. There's the roof. I got that already built. Now we gotta put together the bird feeder. Alright, so we're gonna need you to do the glue for Daddy. Not yet. Not yet. Just wait. Alright, so we're gonna put it right down. Ready? Squeeze it. Hold it. Wait. Ready? Pull. There we go. Good job. Alright. Good job. Now I gotta wipe the glue off. That's dripping. Clean up the mess. There we go. There we go. And then you squeeze it and slide it down. Good job. High five. Yeah. Alright, hold that. Don't use the glue yet. Hold it. I need that piece of wood. Can you hand that to me? One of those wood? Yep. Thank you. Good job. Grab the other one. Good job. So a little bit of glue right down here. Gemma, right here. Yep. Hold it up. Squeeze. Squeeze it. Oh, good job. Squeeze. There. All right.
Mom, Daddy.
What?
Mine.
Oh, the glue. Oh, sorry. Here, scoot over here. Oh, there you go. You hand me the screws when I'm ready, okay? Squeeze. Mess? Oh, thank you. You're wiping off the mess? All right. Ready for this side? Good job. Thank you. Wet glue and wipe mess. Good job. Good job. Thank you. There's the bird feeder. What do you think? Does it look good? Oh, you got some glue on you? That's okay. No. Don't put it on you on purpose. Daddy's gonna take it away if you do that. What?
Mommy. Daddy.
Where? No, don't eat it. This? No, don't get it on you, Gemma. Mommy's not gonna be too happy with me. Good job. All right. That's the birdie food. And we gotta put it in here, okay? Go ask Mommy for a cup. You gotta have a cup to scoop this. Go ask Mommy for a cup, see? We need a cup. Go get a cup for Mommy. Go tell Mommy. Go knock knock.
Knock knock.
Knock knock. Come here, I'll show you. Should we scoop it up? All right, come here. Come here. Stand right here. You can scoop it. Scoop it up. You got some? Oh, good job.
Oh no, nice.
It's okay. The birdies will eat it. There. You gotta go slow. Here, scoop some more up. Turn over here. Come here. Come here. Pour it in up top. Right there. Good job. Here, scoop some more. Get a big scoop. Big scoop. There you go. Here. Pour slow. Wow. Uh-oh.
No.
Oh no? It's okay. Here, get some more. We gotta fill it all the way up. You gotta go slow. Pour it in slow, okay? There you go. Good job.
No.
You didn't spill any that time. Here, grab some more.
Papa.
Yeah, birdie. It's bird food. All right, scoop some more. Pour it in. Good job. Get some more. Look, there it is. Now we gotta go wait for birdies to come.
Swing a lot.
What?
Birdie. Birdie.
Where are they?
No.
Where's the birdies?
Birdie. No. Birdie. Birdie. Egg, Daddy. Egg, birdie. Egg. Birdie. Birdie.
Where'd they go?
No. Oh. Birdie. We ate. Birdie.
Do you see the birdie? Look.
No way.
It flew away. Did you scare it? Oh, it'll come back. Ready? Look at the camera. Say, hey guys.
Okay. Welcome.
You know.
What?
No.
Say, hey guys, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Cut you off.
Stand up. Brush your bottom off. Alright, ready? Look at the camera and say, hey guys.
Okay.
Say welcome.
Welcome.
Say back.
Back.
Yeah, good job.
Okay. Welcome. Back.
Yeah, good job.